Hello friends, thank you all for joining me again. Today this tutorial will cover how to submit your URL to Google, how to submit your website to Google, how to get it indexed by Google on the fly. So all you must do, usually back in the day, you would have to link to other websites in order for Google to see your website. Before it is visible on their search results, you will have to link to other websites in order for it to consider your website. But today, you no longer have to link with other people per se, as far as getting your websites indexed or just seen by Google. Now, search engine optimization, that's an absolutely different type of beast. You may submit your website using their tool, but you still have to work on your search engine, work on search engines, work on getting links from other people, getting traffic in order for Google to see you as a popular entity that can rank, that should be ranking for keywords that you mainly want. So if you want to rank for different things like the best chocolate cake or best chocolate cake keywords, or like, if you want to rank for highly difficult keywords like making money online fast, or different keywords that are competitive, you must work on your search engine optimization. You must work on SEO and getting the right content out there, competing with other people. But anyhow, so let me stop babbling so much. This is how you do it. This is how you submit your website. It's just to be seen by Google, just to be inside the realm of Google. So what you do is you log into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, I suggest you go ahead and register with google.com. It's simply just go Google free Google account, and you can sign up for free. And once you've logged in, go back to google.com, and what you do is you press submit to Google. After you submit to Google, after you put that in, say have a new page. It says have a new page. Let us know. So I'm going to go ahead and have this page indexed. I'm going to copy this page. Go ahead and place it here in the bar, paste, and press submit. Okay, so what it says here, it said page may not immediately rank high in search results. As we explained before, you need to actually do a little bit of work, links and traffic, but can improve over time. Monitor your site's search traffic in Google Search Console. Okay, so I've submitted my website to Google. Let's see if it will appear now. Let me see. Okay, there it goes right there. It goes right here. There it goes. So it's submitted, and it's in there. Jermaine Please blog. I used the SEO plugin and put that in the homepage, including the description. If you read earlier, you see where it says Jermaine talks about several topics. Check out the blog and gain knowledge. So that is how you submit your pages, your posts. I mean, if you create posts, brand new posts, go ahead, and after you finish the post and it looks nice and that's the way you want it, or whatever it may be, go ahead and submit the post and into Google and have it indexed if it's ready. Okay, thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine. This is how to submit your website to Google and have it at least seen and indexed, not necessarily ranked high immediately. Thank you all for joining me on this tutorial. Please join me on the next tutorial. I'll see you guys later.